Hi, it's Carolyn. Welcome to the Lockdown Kitchen with County Fair. Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade chicken pie, and it is the simplest, the quickest, and the easiest recipe you can find. So for this recipe, we're going to need some pre-cooked chicken. I've deboned a whole roast chicken. Now, I love using leftovers. If you don't have any roast chicken left over in the kitchen, you can use chicken breasts, you can roast up a chicken and do it yourself. Absolutely fine. But for me, I love reusing leftovers. I've got leftover roasted vegetables, I've got some fresh herbs, cream, and some white wine. We've got some phyllo pastry and some butter. Now you can definitely use puff pastry. I love phyllo pastry because it's really, really light and really crispy. And the best part, it cooks real quick. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna add our chicken and our vegetables to a pot. We're gonna add our chicken, our vegetables, salt, pepper, mixed herbs. We're now going to coat our chicken and vegetables with some flour. This is going to act as a binding agent when we add our liquid. Give this a minute or two to cook through. Now we're going to deglaze our pan with some white wine. When all the delicious parts at the bottom of your pan have been removed, add your cream. When it's nice and bubbly, remove it from the heat. How quick and easy was that? Now our next step is to assemble our pie. Now working with phyllo pastry can seem daunting, but it's actually very simple. There's just 3 simple steps. Be quick, use lots of butter, and make sure you have a damp tea cloth. This will make sure your pastry doesn't dry out. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take our sheet, and we're gonna paint it with butter. I'm gonna give a little bit of a leftover. I'm going to leave some of the leftover of the pie on the side so you can close your pie and create almost a little bit of an envelope. Now all we need is our filling. The perfect fit. The smells so delicious. Oh. If you have any leftover gravy from your roast chickens or any of your cooking, please add this to your chicken pie. It's just gonna add extra depth of flavor. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna enclose our pie, a little parcel. You can see this perfect little cocoon. Don't worry about the space on top. We're gonna cover that with some extra pie. Make sure it's all the way to the edges, pushed in nicely. Fold it almost like a very untidy bed. Nice, quick, easy, no rules, just packing over there. Not to add more butter, but let's add some more butter. And there we have it. We're gonna pop this in the oven and cook it until it's nice and crispy and brown. Remember, your filling is already cooked. We just wanna cook our pastry, and it's light and thin, so it's not gonna take more than 15 to 20 minutes. Homemade is always better than store-bought, and there you have it, homemade chicken pie. How quick and easy was that? I'm gonna serve my chicken pie with a side salad, but you enjoy it however you see fit. Can you hear the crunch?